So I recently went to a car show and recorded this sick Bumblebee Transformers Camaro. Now we all know that content is king. And a lot of times how your content gets found depends on the hashtags and the long form titles that you use in your content. So I was like, I don't know what is really going to resonate with the people. And I really would like a title that is going to be descriptive and is going to get my video noticed. So rather than think about it, guess what I did? I went ahead and just asked Google Gemini. So my reasoning is very simple. Google owns YouTube. Google makes Gemini. Google is the king of the search engine out there. So why not ask Google Gemini what would be a very good, engaging title for my video, which I'm going to post on YouTube. And this is how I did it. All right, so I went to Gemini. I have Gemini Advanced. And for me, it's totally worth, I think I pay about 20 bucks. And I like it. I love it because Gemini actually excels in some areas that ChatGPT does not. Same thing with Facebook and Meta AI, which actually excels in other areas that the others two don't. When it comes to something that's any Google related, I go to Gemini. So I simply typed in, I went to a car show, filmed a Camaro fashioned after Bumblebee from Transformers. I created a video that starts off with a Bumblebee flying around and transforms into the Camaro. What would be a good title for both YouTube shorts and long form video? Now, as you notice, I was very, very detailed. You have to be detailed. You have to give these LLMs something to think about. Enough information. The more information, the better the answer you can get. And this is what the reply was. Short and sweet. And what I like is it actually explained why it gave me these titles. Bumblebee spotted, Camaro transformation. Emojis weren't great for shorts. Boom. Okay. I think I might use that one. This Camaro is more than meets the eye. Transformer reference. Long and more descriptive. So for my long form video, I'm going to put Bumblebee Camaro at blank shark. Blah, 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 blah. All right. Transformers come to life. Bumblebee Camaro build. I found a real Bumblebee Camaro car show, a highlight vlog style. I really like that. And as you notice, it even gave me more tips, such as what to use in my thumbnail, what keywords to use, the music, and if you have any shots of the car's interior unique features, mention those in the title too. Custom Bumblebee Camaro with this feature. All right, there you go. Really simple, quick, to the point. I say that you can use these LLMs for a lot more than what you are probably using them for right now. All right? If in doubt, try it out. I'm sure you'll be pleasantly surprised. Thanks. Bye.